Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, including yesterday on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done, although first I'm going to do some house cleaning and just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain, they're just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $3.70 was an area of resistance going into today, but now with the price up above it and closing up above it, 370 would be the newest area of support and the ideal level. I mean, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? Definitely if the price can stay up above 370, but if it doesn't, it's not the end of the world or anything like that, because you still have the purple line down there, the 50 period, a simple moving average, that would offer overall support. But as of right now, at the end of the day, what's important and what the price has been doing is this right here. If you look at where those lows have been, and if you picture those as stair steps, that is definitely the name of the game. You just want to see those, those lows continue to chip away and get higher and higher. Now, for the fun stuff, where are levels of resistance? As of now, that level up at $4. Price didn't quite hit it today, but it's definitely within striking distance going into Wednesday. And to just give a little bit more context here as far as $4 and the history, you can see that the price has been up around this area before and hasn't been able to push through it. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break through there, all I'm saying is that, apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price really is going to need to bring its A game if it's not only going to be able to fight above $4, but also be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, nice movement today. And like I said, the price continues to grind its way higher, chip away at those higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can get a breakout or not tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.